another vlog today, and today we will visit it's called the Makeup Blowout Sale. So let's check it out, what makeup they have in store. So come on. Look guys, I'm back. I already have the makeup I got in the store, and excuse my bare naked face. I it's so hot, so I have to like go to the shower and clean up my face. So I will not, I forgot how much I got, but if I could remember the price of the product, I will tell you, but mostly I forgot. So I'm sorry about that in advance. And I do have, first I do have a very colorful eyeliner. So this is eyeliner, and the name of the product, I mean the it's from Beauty Creations liquid eyeliner. It's 3 colors, so I got orange, green, and blue, and I will use this soon in my in my tutorials next time. So I will use this. So you want me to do a swatch? Here, let me do swatch so you can see it. If you, so this is the blue, this is from Beauty Creation, and this is the tip. They are the same tip. So here is the blue, that's the blue, and I think this one is, how much is this? Oh, I think this one is a $5. I think it is $5. I think Beauty Creations have website, so you can check their website. And the color of this is Revenge. The blue is Revenge. Orange is Rockstar. So if you wanna check out their products, I think like I said, Beauty Creations have what is this? They have a website. So this is the orange, and of course spring, summer. Ooh, same tip. So yeah, that's the orange, and I am so excited because I will gonna use that soon in my tutorials. And this is Envy. This one is it looks like yellow green, so I'm gonna swatch some of this. So this is the yellow green. That's the yellow green. So yeah, that is the liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I have another eyeliner. This is waterproof and long-lasting eyeliner holographic by She. So this is holographic. And this one is only $3. Yeah, I remember that. This is $3. $3. So I don't know if yeah, can you see that? Yeah. So that is the holographic eyeliner. So I do have two lipstick. I thought I bought another one, but I guess not. So okay, another lipstick, also by Beauty Creations. They have a lot of Beauty Creations. Actually, this lipstick I already used them because I will try to use some of this product. So I will have here, oh sorry, I didn't even like show you the packaging, but I remember this is $5. So this is the packaging. It looks beautiful, and the color is Opposite Attract. So it's like pinkish reddish, and this is the packaging. It looks, you know, like a very common. And I use this also, this lipstick. I used this already before when I went to a party or something. It's very long lasting though. Yeah, $5. And then because I bought a few things in there, I got a free lipstick. And I think if you register, you're gonna get free mascara and then free lipstick, I think. So this is by Clean Color Madly Matte Lip Gloss, and color is 1605. I think that's the color. I'm the color. Yeah, so this is like brown. So this is free. So let me swatch it. Oh, I can see that it's because it's free, it needs more pigment. And I can see it by the swatch, and look at the I think it's broken already, the applicator. Well, it's free, no wonder it's free. But look at the swatch, it's not good. Yep, that is the swatch. And what else I got? I got also what is this? Lashes, fake lashes by Beauty Creation. And DM is the name, and it's beautiful. I think this one is $5. So this is here, only $5, and it looks beautiful. Sure. I really wanted to like sell lashes too, but I don't know if there's a lot of like small business YouTubers doing fake lashes. So next is by Cara Beauty, and I love Cara Beauty. And look at this packaging. What did you see? Do you remember a YouTuber that has this packaging? And yes, I'm talking about Jacqueline. Look, it looks like Jacqueline though, the Murphy one. This is a Diamond Light. This is highlighter by Cara Beauty. I have few of Cara Beauty, and it's I love Cara Beauty. I don't know, like they're not expensive brand, and they have a good product. Look at this. Look at that. It's like I said, it's like Jacqueline. There's no mirror of it, which is fine with me. And that is the highlighter. Let me swatch. Ooh, it's creamy too. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let me swatch in my hand. Wow. Wow. Look at that. It's very blinding. Blinding. Yes. That's why when we went there, they have I think they have few Cara products. They have Cara palette and uh you know, I grabbed some of it. And of course I have the Cara primer. This is the Cara primer. Eye primer, and color is nude. And I want to try, because I am so in love with the MAC paint pot. I want to try different what is this primer, and I already used this, I think, but I don't remember. I'm gonna use it again maybe in the next video. And that is the color of the primer. This, I love primer when it has color, because especially if your eyes has a lot of, like, you can see like the veins, you know, it's not gonna show up, and which is good. And looking by this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. I used it, but I forgot. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. And because I bought, like I said, I bought a few makeup. They gave me a free, this is free, Tempting Trend Beauty. This is a free eye shadow palette. So they give me this palette for free. And it has a mirror. And this is the palette, which is I already have. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one. Maybe I will give it away to my friends. Yeah. So yeah. And last but not least, let me put that later, is of course by Cara Beauty. This is the Pop That Glitz, and it is a glitter shadow. Let me open this and I will show you. Okay, so this is the palette. I love the packaging. It's like pink. It's like Barbie doll pink. So yeah, Pop That Glitz. This is it. And okay, yeah, this is the palette. Is it? You see it over? It's so glittery. Ooh, let me swatch one of this. It looks so beautiful that I don't want to touch it, but I know some of it looks like it's powdery already. Why I'm so judgmental. But yeah, let me try this yellow. Oh, I know this consistency. Not really a fan, but I hope it would. This is the swatch. Yeah, that is the swatch of the glitter. So like I said, I will try to use these products, and maybe after this video I'm gonna have another one, and I will talk about what is good products that you can find, because when this what is this, like the stores, they carry not so expensive. Oh, I have a mascara sheet, and yeah, I'm gonna use that too. So here's the thing, I will try to do another video after this that I will recommend the products that you can buy with the stores, the pop-up and this the stores. So they're different, I think. I'm not sure if the owner are the same, but they have a different name. And then I think the pop-up one, they carry more. They have a lot of more products that they carry, because the last one is mostly beauty creations. Some of it is like I don't really recognize, although I know a lot of YouTubers they don't really dive into the small companies makeup, which is I love. I want to support small businesses, but yeah, let me know, comment down below, let me know if you are interested with it, because I want to do it, and I'm gonna tell you why if I will do that video, because I will tell you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and always remember, oh no, before that, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share. Please like and share, guys, to your friends. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you, guys.